Hello students, we will start with question number 5, B number in this video, because up to 5A we have done before in the last video. So B number is isosceles triangle you have to construct, but it's one of the side is given and two angles are same, equal. Two angles 75 degree is given. How to construct this? Let us understand. For this you have to make first one rough sketch. Suppose this is M, this is N, this is 8 centimeter. This two angles is given 75 degree and 75 degree. How to construct now 75 degree with compass? So you know 60 plus 15 degree is equal to 75 degree, or you can say 90 minus 15 is also 75 degree. So you can understand it easily. Look at here. Suppose I am going to make 8 centimeter line first. First we will draw 8 centimeter line and keep its name MN, and at point M and N we will make 75 degree. How to make 75 degree? For this we will make first 90 degree. Okay, how to make 90 degree? I hope you have done this in class 6. How to make 90 degree? This cut, if not then just see if you have forgot. One cut here. Put your compass here. One arc we will make up and one arc again sharp arc you have to draw properly. Done. Now we are going to join this point and this point, this intersecting point with this properly. This is your 90 degree. This is 90 degree and this first cut is 60 degree, and 60 plus this is equal to 90, means this to this part is 30 degree. If you will bisect this 30 degree, we will get 15 degree. 60 plus 15, that will be equal to 75. So we will bisect this part. So first measure this part. Like this you have to measure, means this is the measurement. Now bisect it. Put your compass here and make one arc here. Put your compass again at this point and make another arc here. Okay. This two arc you have to join with this end point. Okay. This point you make longer. This line you have to make longer so that it will intersect somewhere. Now here to here 60 and 60 plus this is 15. Means the angle from here to here is 75 degree. Similarly this side also we will make with the same radius. It will be better for you, or 90 degree you can make with any radius. If you will take bigger one, it will be easy for you. Okay. Now again we are going to cut this arc. One cut up and put your compass here. One cut on this arc. Now this point and this point we will join. This is 90 degree. Okay. This is 90, but from here to here is 60. 60 plus this 30 means 30 we will again bisect this 30 degree to get 15 degree. So how to bisect? Put your compass here and measure this. This you have to measure like this. Okay. And after that cut an arc here. Put your compass at this point and cut another arc like this. This two arc is going to meet with this M point. Okay. And you can see this two line will intersect somewhere. If you will join it, and this one also straight. Okay. You can see it is joining at this point. So this point name, this is M N. You can write O. Suppose this is O. So M and O is a isosceles triangle whose two sides are equal, because these two angles are equal. Here to here is 60, 60 plus 15, 75 degree. So this angle is 75, this angle is 75, and this two sides is going to meet here. Point OMN is a isosceles triangle. Got it? Now question number 6, students. Construct an isosceles triangle when one of its equal side is 4.9 centimeter and the vertical angle is 40 degree. Suppose vertical angle is 40, then other two angles you can find, because isosceles triangle both the angles will be equal. So x plus 40 will be equal to 180, angle sum property. By using this property you can find out two angles and try to construct this isosceles triangle by yourself. 6 number. Okay, now I am going to explain you 7 number. Construct a right angle triangle when one of its side is given and the hypotenuse is given. Right angle triangle means 90 degree we have to construct. One of the side is given 6 and hypotenuse, you know, 90 degree opposite side is called hypotenuse. So look at here. We are going to construct a right angle triangle. Question number 7. In this, suppose right angle triangle will be like this. Make it first a rough sketch. This is 90 degree, then this side will be hypotenuse. This is 7 centimeter, and suppose any of one of this side you can draw. This is 6 centimeter. Okay. So 6 centimeter we will draw first. You can take 6 centimeter this side also, this side also. Okay. So any one side you can take. So 6 centimeter line I am going to draw first. 6 centimeter. Write its name AB. Name is not given. So I am going to draw 90 degree angle because it is a right angle triangle. So it is necessary to draw 90 degree. In a right angle triangle, one of the angle is 90 degree, no? So 90 degree you know how to construct. Cut one arc, cut another arc, one arc up. Arc should be proper, okay? Now put your compass here, another arc. This 2 point you have to join to make 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Now we are going to draw this 7 centimeter. So what we will do here, open your compass with 7 centimeter radius. This is 7. This is 7 centimeter. So put your compass here at point B and cut 7 centimeter here. With centimeter. 7 centimeter arc you have to cut. Now this point where it is cutting, this point and this point you have to join. This is 7 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter and this is 90 degree angle. So AB, suppose its name is C. ABC is right angle triangle. Got it? Now question number 8. Construct a right angle triangle whose two sides forming the right angle are 2.8 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. Okay? Very simple. Look at here. In this question, the rough sketch you will draw first of all like this. So construct a right triangle whose two sides forming right angle, means two sides is forming right angle is this. This side is 2.8, this is 4.5. You can take this also 4.5, this also 2.8 as you wish. So 4.5 first of all we will draw here. 4.5 is to here. 4.5 side you will draw. Keep its name AB. Now I am going to draw 90 degree angle at point A. It is not necessary that you will draw at point A only. You can draw at point B, but its opposite hypotenuse will always be opposite of 90 degree. So if it is 90 degree, then this will be hypotenuse. Okay? Don't forget this. This is 90 degree. This 2 point you have to join. Now this 2.8, this side you have to take 2.8. So open your compass. 2.5, 6, 7, 8. This is 2.8 and open your compass and cut an arc of 2.8 centimeter. This is 2.8 centimeter. This point and this point you have to join. This time hypotenuse length was not given, so we have joined this 2 point. Okay, and this was 4.5 centimeter. This point name you can write as C. ABC is a right angle triangle. Got it? So question number 9 is very simple. I hope you can do it. Construct a triangle whose two angles are 30 degree and 90 degree and the included side is 5.6 centimeter. Very simple. You have to, I am going to draw its rough sketch. You have to draw a 5.6 centimeter line segment. Suppose this is AB and you have to draw one angle 30 degree, one angle 90 degree. Suppose this you will draw 90 degree like this as I am drawing with the help of compass, and this angle you will draw 30 degree. 30 degree, how to draw 30 degree? 60 degree angle you will bisect, it will be equal to 30 degree. Okay, and both the line will meet with each other, that will form a triangle. This 90 degree and this 30 degree will meet somewhere. Okay, so try out question number 9. Question number 10 onwards we will do in the next video. Okay.